this is just a little announcement for my shims again, my brake shims, you know, the anti-squeal shims. They were really popular and sold out within a week, 10 days, they were all gone. So I've had another 40 sets made for you guys, and this eliminates you buying genuine Land Rover pad sets with these shims in. So now you can buy the cheaper pads for your back brakes, and these are the shims. Now the shims originally were like this. Now Mark II is like this. I've got an arrow pointing to the top, just like Paul Weller shouting to the top. These have got an arrow pointing to the top now, and that's thanks for James for modifying the drawing. But if you put them in the wrong way around, they won't work. Alright, so that's that. So back in the shop, doing well. Some really good feedback on these. Really nice. So I'm very pleased that that worked out. The story behind it was I only wanted 4 for myself, so I thought I'd make a few and see how they go. It took me by surprise. Now shipping. My online shop ties with Canada Post to calculate shipping, and also to make it all easy for you. Prints labels, does everything. So all I do is print the label out and shove it in an envelope, and there it goes. And this is the problem. In Canada we can do these in letter rate or letter mail, whatever it's called. I can't do it for overseas, unfortunately. Try as hard as I might, I couldn't get it to go, so I have to put them in a little bubble pack, you know, padded envelope. But I thought about it. If you guys get together, who've got once a set, and you're local to each other, 3 sets of these ships for $1 more than 1 set. It's bonkers, I know, but that's the way it's all calculated. It seems to work in stages. So if you and your mates get together and you want the set, I'll do 3, same price. In fact, on the shop, I'll put a link with 2 or 3, because the shipping is hardly any different. All right. So thanks for that. Thanks for your feedback, and we'll catch you later. Ta-ra.